Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards. The XFX Speedster SWFT 319 featuring the AMD Radeon RX 6800 and the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, performance metrics, and overall value to help you decide which card is the better choice for your gaming needs. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the XFX Speedster SWFT 319 offers solid capabilities for 1440p and 4K gaming, thanks to its 16GB GDDR6 memory and a boost clock of up to 2105 MHz. However, the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti takes the lead with its extreme performance clock of 2497 MHz. And advanced features like DLSS4, which enhances visual fidelity and frame rates significantly. For gamers seeking the best performance, the MSI card stands out as the superior option. Both graphics cards feature advanced cooling systems designed to manage heat effectively. The XFX Speedster SWFT 319 utilizes a triple-fan cooling system that ensures efficient heat dissipation during intense gaming sessions. On the other hand, the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti is equipped with the TORX Fan 5.0 technology, which not only enhances airflow, but also maintains a quieter operation under load. This makes the MSI card a better choice for gamers who prioritize a silent gaming experience. Price is always a crucial factor in choosing a graphics card. The XFX Speedster SWFT 319 is priced at $459, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious gamers looking for solid performance. In contrast, the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti comes with a hefty price tag of $909, reflecting its premium features and superior performance. Ultimately, your choice may depend on your budget and whether the advanced capabilities of the MSI justify the higher cost. In conclusion, both the XFX Speedster SWFT 319 and MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti are excellent graphics cards tailored for different types of gamers. The XFX offers great value for its performance, while the MSI provides cutting-edge technology and superior performance. Consider your gaming needs and budget when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.